singular and plural.
We usually add s to the end of a word. For words ending in ch, sh, x, s, or z, add es. For words ending in y, change the y to I and add es.
Click on the plural words. Remember, write down the plural words of the following. Write and say the plural forms of each word. Carrot, carrots. Seed, seeds. Baby, babies. Box, boxes. Window, windows. Glass, glasses. Dish, dishes. Story, stories. Complete the paragraph with the words that you hear.
Imon is a student in class 4. He loves food. Every day, he eats 2 fried eggs for breakfast. He also drinks a glass of milk. He brings 2 sandwiches to school every day. Today, he has a banana and about 20 strawberries in his lunch. He also eats a lot of vegetables. Vegetables are his favorite.